Hi guys, some people tell us that we water our plants regularly and they don't have any fungal disease or pests, but we don't know why they die. Stay with us to know the answer of this question. Don't put your plants near heater, radiator or any other heating device because they cause the environment to dry out and the ambient temperature to rise, and it causes the plants to dry and die. So it's recommended that plants should be put amount 2 meters away from heating device. On the other hand, cooling device can kill plants. Cool winds cause temperature fluctuations. Do not put your plants where there is no light. All plants need to minimal light to grow, even plant resistant to low light. If you live in an apartment and there aren't sufficient light, I suggest you to use artificial light. If you don't place the plant in a well-ventilated area, you have to wait fungal disease for your plants. So provide a well-ventilated environment and select where fresh air should flow for at least 2 or 3 hours a day. If you don't water your plant exactly, your plant will die. For watering, check the soil. If 2 centimeters of soil was dry, start to water. Too much or too little light cause the plant to die, so don't place your plant in front of sun or in a dark area or very low light area. Fungal disease is another reason of dying plants. Fungus make to rot root. You see burn symptoms on the leaves. Plant gradually becomes withered. If you fertilize the plant too much, the plant may die. Excessive fertilization burns the plant. You can feed your plant by manure or chemical fertilizer. Think of fertilizer as the second half of your potting soil. When your potting soil is fresh, your plants won't need much, if any, fertilizer. After about 2 months, the plant will have consumed the nutrients in the soil. So you will have to fertilize if you want to continue healthy growth. Lack of moisture causes plant death. The plant withers and falls. If you live in area that have a dry climate, you have to provide humidity for your plants. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, subscribe us.